Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Gems, let's see what wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Gems, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Gems, 6 of Cups, 9 of Wands, King of Cups, 6 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, wow, center of my spread, 2 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, and the 6 of Swords. All right, bottom of my deck, Gemini, I have the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is usually either an argument or a fight or something, but yes, somebody does want to come back, it seems. They want to end any conflict or any barrier that's come up between the two of you. I think there's a good friendship going here with the 9 of Cups energy. There is a King of Cups here there's a lot of love in their heart. They may not always show it, but they do want to come back and end this whatever argument or fight you guys have had. They want this beautiful partnership to be returned, that equal give and take, and that friendship and that happiness. They do see a future with you, a 10 of Pentacles. But there is a slight problem here. I think it'll be solved very soon. If there was a problem here of somebody being, back and forth or juggling or not making a decision, somebody does want to put in the work because they're afraid of losing their partner. I'm very sure, with the 6 of Swords right at the end, I'm sure this conflict will soon be over, Gemini, and you guys will move to a peaceful space once again. But let's clarify these cards and see what's going on. So Gemini and their partner spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their partner. And Gems, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. All right. I'm going to take a few more gems from another deck. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. All right. And a couple more from a third deck, just to mix it up a bit. Okay. Thank you. Good to go, Gems. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "It hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection?" Like I said, somebody could be going maybe not, juggling, not making up their mind. I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering, I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of your pain, fear, and frustration, and you'll see what I've seen in you all along. I get so frustrated when you're on the phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's so very disrespectful. I see our time together as sacred and, believe it or not, limited. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm concentrating contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. I love you not only for your beauty but for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. Whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You're all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. I want to hold you and never let go. So, Gemini, one person wants to move away and the other person wants to hold on. Let's see what's happening. Let's start with Gems with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini, and then we'll clarify these cards. Okay, here it is. And the card, Gems, that you get is Speak Your Truth. Like I said, maybe somebody does have a lot of love in their heart, but they've never really articulated it. Maybe never said the words, I love you, or you are the one, and I want to be with you, and you only. Maybe just kept it to maybe a friendly level. I don't know. Let's see. So, Six of Cups, Spirit, for Gemini. Of course, I could be reading for you, or this could be your person. Six of Cups. Six of Cups and the Nine of Wands in reverse, Spirit. One more. I think this could be this King of Cups not making a decision, maybe pulled in two different directions. Of course, very good looking, very handsome, pretty, beautiful, whatever gender you're in. I don't know, but one person may have been always liking the attention or feeling good about not having to make a choice, loving the attention coming from various sources, and that made maybe that person pull back, maybe hold back, that hey, if you're never going to make a decision regarding us, if yes, I do admire you, I do see you as somebody I'm very attracted to, but if you're never going to make a decision, then it's time that I held back, even though there is such a beautiful friendship between us. We get along so well. We have sweet memories between the two of us. So there is a lot of stress here regarding this, I think, because maybe one person has held back from the connection. But I do see somebody wants to return now. Somebody wants to return and maybe end this barrier that's been put up, this holding back or this fight. Yes, somebody is holding back big time, not wanting to be in a place where that person just never makes a decision. Yeah, see, barrier, so many barriers, see. Holding back, barrier, but somebody does want to return and lower the defenses or make their person maybe lower their defenses. So, King of Cups, what do you want to say here? Let's give the mic to this King of Cups. What do you want to say to us? King of Cups. King of Cups, yes. King of Cups says, I want to begin brand new. I want to take a risk. I want to start anew if possible. Yes, I'm very, very stressed out because maybe in the past they were breadcrumbing. Or maybe they were giving to more than one maybe. But now I think they've made a choice to start afresh. One more for the King of Cups. What's this Fool card for the King of Cups, Spirit? One more. They see their person as very dynamic. They see their person as very attractive. They see their person as a go-getter. They see their person maybe getting a lot of attention. And I think this King of Cups does want to work on this connection now. They want to bring in a sense of clarity. They want to come and speak their truth that, hey, I choose you. I really do want to work on this connection. I do find you to be, what I really desire. Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. If there was a fight, maybe an argument regarding this king giving to more than one, or never taking it to the next level, or never making that decision or choice, they want to have a rebirth. They want to, yes, see, the minute I said that, this card popped out. They want to now show back as somebody who's totally in control, as a person who's going to actually do the right thing, who's going to be supportive, who's going to be that perfect partner. They want a renewal of this connection. After, I think, maybe you guys have had some kind of a fight or argument regarding this King of Cups never choosing or showing what they really want out of this connection. So, Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. This relationship did have a potential of reaching the Ten of Pentacles, but there was somebody here, this King of Cups, I think, who always wanted it their way. It was more like, I have to win and I don't care who loses kind of a thing. This cycle could have gone on and on, just like an open-ended thing, but some secrets came out. Something came out about the manipulation that this King of Cups was probably doing, and the potential for this Ten of Pentacles, I think, probably came to an end or just stagnated, all because of this juggling. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Okay, one more, Death. This almost seems like the other person is now holding back, very, very guarded. I don't think they trust that person very much. It's quite possible that whatever this King of Cups was doing, their cheating, lying behavior, or maybe their juggling act, maybe kind of destroyed the faith that their partner had in them. I think this Queen of Wands has already moved on or is moving on and calling it quits. This is going to be a big tower moment for the King of Cups. That, hey, listen, I waited, you never made a decision, I've already walked away, and it's too late now. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Somebody still does want to work on this connection, Gemini. Somebody has realized that there is still a lot of love here. There is a big, big cup of love here. I do want to make things right. I think whatever this tower moment has happened, where I think this Queen of Wands walked away because maybe some truth came out, maybe it was an end of maybe a connection, I don't know. It's put this King of Cups into a little bit of a retreat, thinking about all their immature behavior, thinking about all their player ways maybe, or this just inconsistent behavior, and not wanting to stay in that place forever. They don't want to lose this soulmate connection. They are realizing that things have really, really been destroyed now. When this Two of Cups. Two of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Two of Cups in reverse. Yes, now somebody is recognizing that they only brought in competition, there was no investment put, but it's making them very angry. It's making them very upset, very angry at not having shown their emotions or their love when the time was right. Now they want to drop the juggling, they do want to bring balance and healing, they do want to make that choice to have a Ten of Cups, their future with this Queen of Wands. Somebody, I think, does want to end this conflict now and find peace once again. There will be some communication there is some communication coming regarding that I choose you. I choose you to be the queen above all queens, my empress. somebody doesn't like the stagnancy that's happened in this connection, and they've given it a lot of thought. They've understood why their person walked away, what they did, what they didn't do, why their person was angry and upset with them. All this introspection that they've come to has made them realize that this person they can see a future with. This is the Empress. So I do feel somebody is bringing in communication to say, hey, can we heal this? Can we end this conflict? Can we just go on to a peaceful place together once again? I miss you. I miss you. I feel totally left out in the cold by you. Please, can we get back together to this beautiful friendship or soulmate connection that we had? This was our first card, Gemini, and this is our last card. Six of Cups. Somebody wants to return back to a place of friendship, love, and they've made up their mind. All right, so it's time. Yes, somebody has to speak their truth. Okay, and I have this beautiful Queen of Cups, which is bottom of my deck as well. So this is a loving connection, except it's really gone wrong here because of somebody's not being able to choose or do the right thing or open up. So somebody needs to speak their truth before it's too late. From where I'm seeing it, this Queen of Cups or this feminine energy has already walked away. Okay. So let's see if any reversals are possible. We'll get to know in our next read. Gemini, till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.